Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly you can see friends in this video we are providing you most training and classical designs of Crochet 3D flowers garden designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet 3D flowers cardigan designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Unique cutting designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant and appearance, feminine flowing, comfortable, breathable, soft yarns, warmth, suitable for cooler weather. Durability, long lasting, resistant to wear, easy care, machine washable, dryable, versatile, suitable for various occasions, confidence booster, unique handmade designs. Glamming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade garden. Natural fibers, hemoglobin, vertebral regulations of body temperature, improve mood, colorful designs, happy vibes, reduce stress, soft gleaming texture. Mindfulness, Croatia promotes relaxation, strive for Croatia 3D flower gardens, floral designs, leafy motifs, berry inspired patterns, butterfly bee designs, flower different flower designs, different color and colorful flowers is a very beautiful single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, shield stitch, cotton wool, national bombo silk design, confidence in a season, climate, personal style, preference, body type, fit, buggles and occasions, longer fairy designs, flittering bare waist. Colorful, playful design, nature-inspired outfits, watchful characters, ombre color scheme, mixed media, handmade design, free people, urban outfits, Madville, customization, functionalizations, fit designs, cost-effective, affordable materials, creative experience, flex, personal style, accessions, glaming, smoothing, Croatia process. Pride of ownership, handmade, creative. Would you like to explore Spanish Croatia 3D flowers? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know, we were different people have different choices and they love different types of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your dress for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video. Especially for those people who are setting types these are most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your dresses and different styles and ideas. So we will, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update viewers. When you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Thank you viewers.